Hey, beautiful boss, are you ready to join the Boss Up Experience? Boss Up Experience is a mobile app with desktop access for business women to get results-driven style advice, workshops, and style videos on demand to help you build a collection of looks that best represent your brand image and lifestyle. It's a simple way for you as an influential businesswoman to shop on the go, create looks on demand, and learn how to dress your curves. Are you ready to define your own personal style? Be the trend versus following the trend. Shop your closet like a boutique and be more bolder and daring in your look. It is time for you to have next level confidence in your look when you are on stage, TV, and having the ability to be able to communicate your own personal style. No more impulse buys. No more scouring the internet trying to figure out how to put looks together or worrying if your look is up to par with your next level of elevation. You can post questions and pictures, join topic discussions, shop, connect with other businesswomen, and have access to exclusive live coaching and the ability to attend live events right from the convenience of your own phone. No matter your membership level, you can receive real-time personalized feedback from a personal stylist via live chat or video. You will have access to your very own personal stylist and community of fashionistas anytime you need style advice, and it's tailored to get you results and to attract affluence. So it's time to stop second guessing your look and take your confidence and look to the next level in the Boss Up Experience.